Hello dear students, welcome back to our news channel. Today we have 100 gram too heavy. Students, this is a sad news for all of us. Yesterday Vinesh Fogart, our celebrated wrestler, faced a major setback at the Paris Olympics 2024. She was disqualified just hours before her women's 50 kg freestyle wrestling. Why she was being disqualified? For being 100 grams, just 100 grams overweight. So despite her team's efforts through the night, including drastic measures, she was not able to, uh, reduce her weight in time. See, you can see in this news article, there are certain rules required for fighting in wrestling. Like for each weight class, bouts are held. Bouts meaning competitions are held over a 2 day span. Okay, and wrestlers who are being selected, they have to weigh in for uh, before the competition, and during the first weigh-in, wrestlers will have 30 minutes to make weight, and for the second time they'll be given 50 minutes. So, however, before the first round, she was 49.9 kg. ओके, शी वॉज 49.9 kg, और उसके बाद उन्होंने 3 बाउट्स लड़े, जिसके बाद शी वॉज फाइनली सेलेक्टेड इन सेमीफाइनल. जब वो फाइनली सेलेक्ट हो गए सेमीफाइनल के बाद, उसके बाद दोबारा वेट जब उनका चेक किया, तो इट वॉज अराउंड 50.1 kg. ओके, 50.1 kg. एंड ये जो 100 ग्राम है, काफी ज्यादा भारी पड़ गया, because despite her team's efforts through the night, including drastic measures like cutting her hair, limiting water, food intake, they were unable to get her weight down in time. And this disqualification meant she could not compete for the gold medal against Sarah Hildebrand of the United States, and left Olympics without any medal. Although Fogart had reached semi-final by defeating Cuba's wrestler, 5-0 की विक्ट्री से वो सेमीफाइनल में पहुंची थी. Now, although she was disqualified from women's 50 kg freestyle wrestling, why this happened? She was found to be 100 grams over the weight limit. And this disqualification occurred just hours before her scheduled bout against Sarah Hindelberg. सिर्फ जैसे ही सेमीफाइनल का मैच होने वाला था, उसके कुछ घंटे पहले ही ये वेट उनका डिस्क्वालीफाई उनको कर दिया गया. और हालांकि उनके कोच ने, स्टाफ ने बहुत एफर्ट्स किए, ताकि इंक्लूडिंग लिमिटिंग हर फूड, वाटर इनटेक, मेकिंग हर एक्सरसाइज, इवन कटिंग हर हेयर, but they were unable to get her weight below the required limit. And this unfortunate turn of events meant she could not compete for the gold medal and left the Olympics without any medal. Right? So this was sad for all of us, but at the same time, what you need to remember is that for us, she's still a runner. She's still a winner for us. And a few grams can't take her down. Okay? So she is still a winner for all of us. And although she has lost out on medal, but we have to remember that she has inspired for all the women, all the females of our country, that we should not settle for anything less than the first position. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पायरिंग है कि कैसे उन्होंने सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंचे. और हु नोज, अगर सेमीफाइनल में वो लड़ते, वो गोल्ड मेडल भी लेकर आते, तो हमारे लिए विनेश फोगाट एक विनर है. ओके, एंड वी शुड टेक प्राइड इन नोइंग द फैक्ट कि विनेश फोगाट सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंचे, और सिर्फ कुछ टेक्निकलिटी की वजह से वो मेडल उनको नहीं मिल पाए. ऑल राइट, So that's it, students. इसके बाद हम बात करेंगे दूसरे आर्टिकल के बारे में. It's about BeamStack. Slow pace or worry BeamStack members need to find new pathways for FTA. What is BeamStack? Students, BeamStack stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Okay, ये इसका full form है. So basically, it's a group of 7 countries that are located around the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal के around जो 7 countries है, उनका group है. These countries, they work together to help each other grow and improve in many different areas like trade, energy, technology, and security. So the 7 countries in BeamStack are, here you can see it's written: Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and Thailand. Now, imagine you and 6 of your friends decided to form a club to help each other with homework, share your favorite books, and organize fun activities. So that's kind of like what BeamStack is, but on a much bigger scale with countries instead of friends. And the main goal of this organization is to boost trade and investment, meaning helping countries do more businesses with each other and invest in each other's projects. And it also makes it easier for people and goods to move between the countries by building better roads, railways and communication system. है ना? तो इसका एक ऑब्जेक्टिव ये भी है कि to improve transportation and communication between these countries. And they also help each other by sharing new ideas and technologies, especially in fields like science and education. And they also work together to keep the region safe from problems like terrorism and natural disasters. And they also encourage people to people contact matlab cultural exchange, tourism, so that they can learn more about each other. All right, now there's a term mentioned which is said by our Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal. It's about free trade agreement. है ना? So what is a free trade agreement? Now, students, imagine you and your friends each have different talents and things you can make. One friend is good at baking cookies, other is great at drawing, and you are awesome at building toy models. So if you all decide to share what you make with each other without any condition, it makes everyone happy because you get to enjoy cookies, cool drawings, and even fun toys without having to pay for them. So this is kind of like what a free trade agreement does, but with countries and things that they produce. So what is a free trade agreement? It's a deal between countries to make it easier to buy and sell things from each other. This means they agree to reduce or eliminate taxes and other barriers on goods and services they trade. So why is an FTA, why is free trade agreement with BeamStack is important? See, when countries, you know that these are all South Asian countries, है ना? Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and Thailand, we are all South Asian countries. So when countries in BeamStack they agree on a free trade agreement, it means they can trade without extra cost. So things you buy from these countries might be cheaper. And with an FTA, a free trade agreement, you can get a variety of products from different countries. This is like having more options for toys, snacks, and clothes. And when countries trade more, they become better friends. So this helps them work together on other important issues like protecting the environment and keeping pace. And by trading more, students, countries can make more money and they can create more jobs. So this helps everyone in the country live better lives. Now, how does this affect you? Even though you might not see it directly, students, a free trade agreement with BIMSTEC can mean that you can buy more interesting and varied products at better prices. Plus, it helps your country grow stronger by working with its neighbors. All right. So, BIMSTEC is quite important for especially for India. And even though this amid Bangladesh crisis, the importance of BIMSTEC resurfaces. है ना, क्योंकि अभी बांग्लादेश में इतना जो क्राइसिस चल रहा है, तो एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए होता है कि हम ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस कर सके. So if we are actively participating in BIMSTEC, India not only strengthen its regional ties, but it will also ensure to address challenges and opportunities in this region. What region? Bay of Bengal region, है ना. और बीमस्टेक के बारे में समराइज पॉइंट ये भी है कि जैसे फर्स्ट टाइम फाउंडेड it was founded in 1997 through Bangkok Declaration, and first summit held in Thailand, and Thailand is the current chair. अभी जो चेयर है currently lead कर रहा है वो थाईलैंड है. Okay, so that is about BeamStack. Students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye. Have a happy learning.